From your Chapter 13 folder, open the file Chapter 1303 Sprinkler Pipe Layouts. In this exercise we're going to use two views, the floor plan Sprinklers Level 2 and the 3D view Sprinklers Level 2 High Level. From the View tab, click on Tile Windows. Here we can see the two views side by side. It's going to enable us to see the outcome of our layout straight away. I want to find out a couple of things. In the floor plan, select the pipe that's running through the corridor. This is my sprinkler main. It's running at 2900 above the finished floor level and has a diameter of 100 mm. In addition, we want to find out its properties. From the Properties palette, take a look at its type. The pipe type is carbon steel threaded T's. This is the pipe type that we want to use when connecting our sprinklers. In the floor plan, select one of the sprinkler heads and then click on Generate Layout. The first thing I want to do here is place a base. This establishes a base point from where I can then connect into my main run. I want to make sure that this is offset at the same level as the corridor pipework, 2900. Now let's go back and look at the solutions. I also want to pay attention to the settings for this particular system. The main, the pipe type is set to carbon steel threaded T's. The branch is going to be considerably smaller, so we're going to go with taps. Let's take a look at some of the options we have available. When we find a particular layout we like the look of, we can click on Finish Layout and Revit creates our pipe layout. As I've said before, on other automatically created layouts, these may not be the finished article. For example, we really want to connect these two pipes together. The best way to do that is to go to the Modify tab, click on Align, start with the corridor pipe and then the feeder pipe. Remove the last two parts of the pipe run and then change this elbow to a T by clicking on the cross and then connecting the two together. As you can see here, I've also made an error in the pipe sizing. So from my 3D view, select one of the 150 diameter pipes, hover over the one on the end of the run and press the Tab button. You can then select the entire run and change the diameter. Notice that when you do this, the reducers disappear. The layout might not be fantastic either. For instance, scrolling into the corner, I can see that I would never do this particular style of connection. Rather than selecting the T this time, let's remove the reducer. Then select the T. Clicking on the minus sign turns this into an elbow. We can now drag our sprinkler connection to a suitable location and then connect it into the main run. Once this has been completed, you can then start notating your drawing.